come out here and learn some new tricks. Old man. Big old. You know what they say though. My hero, my buddy. This is the guy I've been doing some milk stuff with. And he's gotten into this heavy haul stuff, oversize. And I was like, well, you know, if I wanted to learn a little bit about it, of course I do. So, let's learn. Man, things that so many different ways to make money in this industry. I'm trying to learn. Look at these big ass machines back here. These are like little enclosures. Those things are huge. Wild. See this thing, look at that thing up there, taking the one off, snatching it off of there. Let's see what this all about. Oh wow, I didn't even see all the ratchet straps and stuff in here.
It's amazing.
Yeah. Wow.
Yep.
We gotta climb up there and grab them out of there?
No, they get them with the scissor wheel.
Oh, okay.
When you do like the construction stuff,
yeah.
Normally everybody's pretty helpful and they're already up there rigging stuff up. You can handle the scraps, so put them up there for you and everything.
Nice. Binder right here across the bottom, okay.
Got my work shoes on.
Those are typical. What Peterbilt guy don't wear hey dudes? Got a little piece of carpet in there to keep from tearing it up. I like it. I like it.
Yeah. Then I put bungees on the binders when I get them, and that keeps the binder from working back and forth.
Yeah. As I said earlier, I was going to be learning something new and wasn't expected, but you know, today I am going to be flatbed. Ain't never did that one before. I have little things here and there, local short haul stuff, but yeah, today flatbed. I guess we is gonna get our learn on today. My dang truck didn't want to start, had to hook it up, jump it. We got her to start. And hooked up to the spread axle right here. And gonna get her done. Hopefully, I think they said the stuff I'm picking up delivers tomorrow. Delivers tomorrow at like noon, so I mean morning. So I guess we'll see how this all goes. My buddy's gonna help me strap up and everything because I've never strapped any of this stuff up before. So yeah, but you know, another thing is I want to go wash my truck. I don't like riding dirty, so I might go wash it after I get loaded because I don't think they're trying to leave until later on. So I'll ride down to the Blue Beacon and get my stuff cleaned up. So here we go. Well, today we're gonna be learning today. It's a good friend of mine here. Been friends for shit, man. A good 8 years, something like that, right around there. Since I've been up north a lot more, been trying to do a lot more work up north, and I used to do milk for him off and on, the milk stuff I've been doing, and you know, he told me about some other things he had going on, so I'm like, you know, hey, let's try something different, try something new. So it's finally time that the new stuff he was working on is starting to grow, and I'm about to get my edumacation on. You know, they do stuff with the flower people I do stuff with, Masterpiece, good people, great people. They do, you know, him is his company. They also do stuff with the milk stuff I do. But he's been getting into this oversize and flatbed stuff here lately, and you know, they asked me about 2 weeks ago, no, maybe 3 weeks ago, if I wanted to do an oversized load. You know, I'm one of those people where if I do something, I want to feel comfortable with it. So today he's taking me out of my comfort zone and gonna make me comfortable with it. So we're out here. He's got to get his load stuff switched around, and then I gotta go get the truck I've been driving of his and get that truck ready to do a flatbed load. Never done a flatbed. Now I've done flatbed stuff with my truck, but never done a full flatbed load. Like I've picked up loads for a friend of mine and ran some stuff that locally, you know, but never across the states and stuff like that. So today we gonna learn, but they're hauling these big machines, and the generators and stuff like that. That's one of the trucks right there. Got a big old cat in there. Probably putting down about 750, 650, 750, right around there. And yeah, this is what they've been running. So we're gonna see if I can handle it. We're gonna go get my Peterbilt, and we're gonna go give it a shot today. Let's see. All right, gotta pull up and try to load our first one. It's oversized. Pull out of here.
Hey, you want you in the middle though, so you can get both sides.
Okay, no problem. Peace on. Oh no, you just tell me what to do, man. First one look like. Yeah. If you want to ask a question, just let it be known. I's be laying pipe. I'm gonna start strapping it down in a second. I think we gotta tarp those in the middle. They're over throwing straps in this one. First time for everything and anything. That's thick ass straps. Bad boy, thick. I got a big ass hand.
Hands out.
Let's go. Also in class today. Setting them up where they gotta be and showing me about that twist you seen in that load, saying the twist is for the air. I'm learning, y'all. I'm learning. I'm getting my education on. I'm hungry. It's time to eat. So there's no other like loose pieces like that. It's just laying in there. I could come out, tear somebody's stuff all up. That looks good. That looks good. That looks good. Oh, I gotta check the springy one in the back. This is the one I was worried about. That one looks good. All right, first time for everything. Yeah, that was there. Nothing else strange. All right. Guess we get back in the truck. After we get some lunch or dinner. All right, y'all did my first round trip of that flatbedding, you know. Tomorrow we're gonna do it again. Tomorrow I guess I'm all by myself though. Anybody have any pointers for flatbedding? Because we're gonna be doing it on the fly tomorrow, but got some pointers, I'm all open.